Alright, hey guys, just another update on our work on percentages. Last lesson I looked at just finding any percentage of an amount by converting to a decimal and plugging it into a calculator. And we're going to extend that a little bit today by actually using percentages to, for increasing and decreasing amounts. Like in things like you're adding a sales tax on, or you're having a sale in a shop. How do they calculate those prices? Just percentages in a more real sense. So we're going to remind ourselves what we were doing with percentage before, and we pick a number like 15%. How do we apply that using our calculator? Now, yes, some calculators have a percentage button, but we want to get past that. We want to start getting good at interchanging what values are really easy to use in a calculator. And you can use on all calculators. You have to learn how the percentage button works. You can just apply it if you can convert it to a decimal. So let's just remind ourselves what percent actually means. Okay, so we're breaking that down again into per and cent. Now for our purposes, per means out of, or for every, but out of. And cent, like in cents in a dollar, or century, or centurion, that cent or centi, centimeters, always means 100. So 15% would literally translate as 15 out of 100. Cool. And so what we can do then is, if you're not good at doing this, you can actually, that says, yeah, that's right. What we can do is divide, because that means divide, that little symbol there, 15 divide 100. So we can stick that in a calculator, but you'll actually get really good at this and go, 15% as a decimal, or as a fraction and then as a decimal, is 0.15. Smart money is on just realising that actually decimal point was there, and you divide by 100, it jumps, bang, bang, 2 places over here. Gets really easy to convert between those. So we're going to apply these. So I'll give you a situation. We've got ourselves a person that owns themselves a store. Let's say it's Gary. Gary is the owner of Crazy Dave's T-shirt Emporium. Okay, and Crazy Dave's T-shirt Emporium is having a sale. So Gary needs to reduce all T-shirts by 15% as part of Crazy Dave's T-shirt Emporium's sale. So let's just keep that a bit of information now. I'll just put a little bubble around there for you so we can know what that's all about. Okay, so where we go. So we get ourselves our T-shirt. There's our T-shirt. It's important to draw the T-shirt, obviously, for the maths. Okay, there's my T-shirt. It's got a price tag of £24. Okay, and actually we've got this %15 off sale. Cool, 15% off sale. There's my T-shirt, massive red T-shirt, really, really cool, popular T-shirt. Gary's T-shirt, Crazy Dave's T-shirt Emporium. So how do we do this? How's he going to go about doing it? He's going to take himself a little bit of time, get his calculator ready, and he's going to say, right, well, first thing I need to do is turn 15% to a decimal, which we've just done up here. 15% turns into 15 out of 100, which turns into 0.15. If you need to use a calculator, 15 divided 100 will produce that. Now he's going to use that. Okay, now he needs to do 15% of 24. 15% of £24. Now, as I said last lesson, of in maths, it's always a multiplication. So we're going to have our decimal version for our calculator, 0.15 times 24 Okay, and we get a total of, well, let's just stick it in our calculator and make sure you can see how that works. Because 0.15 times 24 pounds gives us a total of 3.6. Okay. Now, obviously 3.6 is the answer for a calculator. The calculator doesn't know we're talking about money, so we need to remember, oh, that's actually £3.60. So 15% is £3.60. And the last little bit is us going, okay, let's reduce the price, £24 by 15%. So we're going to do 24 minus £3.60 equals, and that's going to be £20.40. Awesome. And that's just a little walkthrough. Now I'm going to get you to apply this. We're going to do it as percentage sales. Some of the numbers are reasonably easy. That's cool. I want you to practice the process. It's always going to be about process. Convert to a decimal, multiply by the original amount. Whatever you get, you're going to subtract that off to get our sale price. This is for sale prices only. The worksheet's on sale prices. All right, go ahead and try it.